how's it? Jordan here, and today I'm going to be creating some classic Victorian moldings. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to change the outline to image editor, and I'm going to be creating the bull nose. Okay, what I'm going to do is go add mesh, UV sphere, good. Let's open this up a bit so I can see better. Okay, now let's just cut it in half. Cut this piece in half and this piece. Perfect. Now I'm going to go I'm going to go add modifier, mirror. Okay, good. Now it's a perfect sphere, so let's move it on the x-axis. So what I'm going to do is just click / again. Okay, so let's go on the y-axis and just make sure I model this the same size. Just go G, move it kind of in the middle. Okay, I definitely need this smaller. Possibly even smaller than that, but yeah, that's fine, I think. Good. In fact, yeah, that's perfect. Now let's go edge select and select this edge. Good. And before I do that, let's add clipping and good. Now let's shade it smooth. Okay. And what I'm going to do is go Shift S, cursor to select, and I'm going to go add mesh cube. Okay, go on the y-axis, go S. Okay. And scale it on the z-axis. Okay. Let's even move it on the y-axis a little bit more. Okay, that's fine. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go Command R and make it 2 loop cuts and scale on the x-axis. Good. Now let's go Command R again like that. Let's go EZ. Perfect. Now let's go apply this mirror modifier, go add modifier, Boolean, and let's choose that and go union and fast. Now what I'm going to do is go X limit dissolve and go apply rate scale. Go command B to bevel it. Okay, good. Now let's go shade smooth and normals auto smooth. Good. Now let's apply this, delete that. Let's make this auto smooth. Okay, that's perfect. Now let's go colon. Okay, this is obviously way too big. So let's just go A, S, and Shift X. That's better. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go / again, add mesh plane. I'm going to go RX90. Good. Go SX. Go AE. Good. Let's select our bull nose and go Boolean. Good. Like that. Fast. Okay. Let's delete that plane. And we can also delete this face as it's unneeded. Okay, that's fine. Now I'm going to duplicate it like that and do this to all the rest of our windows. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be making a molding surrounding the window. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go Shift S, cursor to selected, go add mesh plane, go RY90, good. Now let's go on the x-axis, go Shift Z, S to scale it. Okay, good. Now let's select, go in vertices and go GZ, good. Just like that. Let's make this a little higher. and there. Now let's select a window. Okay. I seem to have lost my molding. Okay, there it is. And I'm going to go Shift S, selection to cursor. Let's go GZ. Let's go S80, S80, GZ. Okay, now let's go add modifier, mirror, object, set origin, origin to 3D cursor, y-axis, x, remove the x-axis, and let's go E a bit, go SX0. Good. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is maybe even make it a little thinner. There, that's perfect. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go command. I'm going to apply this mirror and select every single one of my bull nose, and then I'm going to select this bull nose and go command L, link object data. Okay, and now I'm going to join my outline to my bull nose, and now I'm going to go P selection. Okay, let's go LP selection. Perfect. Actually, let's just keep it like that. That's fine. Now let's go back to outliner, and let's select everything, then hide all the windows like that. Okay. Actually, let's just select all of our bull noses and window outlines. And let's go M, new collection, and I'm going to name this collection to moldings. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my outline, and I'm going to go Shift D, P selection. Good, and let's go Shift Z, GY. Okay, let's move it like that. Good, and now let's select like that. Okay, good. And now go Shift S, cursor to select, cursor to selected. Go set origin, origin to 3D cursor. Good. Now go add a mirror modifier. Let's go GY. Let's add clipping in. Good, like that. Now let's move that like that, and go EZ. Okay. Good. That's perfect. Let's check it out. Let's check it. Okay, so we have to fill in this face. Okay, let's see if there are any problems. Seems there is one. Okay, and then F. That's perfect. And now let's rename these. I'm going to name this drawer molding, and I'm going to rename these, all of these. Go for edit, battery name, and I'm going to go set name new, and I'm going to name them window moldings. Okay, with a capital W. Okay, now let's go edit, battery name, and let's go find replace, find .00, and then replace with a space. Perfect. Okay, so this is the end of the episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.